To date, the global Covid-19 coronavirus has killed about 10,000 people and infected more than 240,000 around the world. It's brutalised the global economy and sparked panic buying. Dunedin clinical psychologist Kumari Valentine says while these are tough times, there are ways to remain calm.
This is a time when we are highly likely to be anxious and worried. First, it's important to focus on what we can actually do, and there is a whole lot that is within our control. One of those things is our breath. Returning to our breath, focusing on slowing down our breathing, is one way that we can drop anchor and be calm.
Dr. Valentine says while it's important to acknowledge feelings at times like these, panic buying and creating unnecessary stress only exacerbates the situation for everyone.
There's a huge tendency for people to focus on protecting their own interests. This, unfortunately, will have huge mental and economic implications. Focusing on being part of a crowd and community is vital during this time because it is together that we will get through this.
Many across the world are finding it hard coping day to day with losing family members, jobs and economic stability, or even coping with the fear of not being able to feed their children. Kumari Valentine says if people feel like they're not coping, they should reach out.
And there are numerous ways that this can be done. In the first instance, this might be friends and family, and if it feels much more than that, then contacting your local emergency psychiatric services department is something that you can do. There are also a range of helplines throughout New Zealand that are open 24/7.
She says the Health Ministry's COVID website is an excellent source of information on the global pandemic,
which has a range of good information, including very good basic mental health information, self-care, that is vital, I think, for anyone to pay attention to in these times.
Dr. Valentine says this is an especially difficult time for people with mental health issues, and if people are concerned for themselves or loved ones, they should contact any of the available helplines. In Dunedin, The South Today.